Hi, my name's Dan, and in this video we're going to look at TV mode on the ASM02. So to access TV mode you can do this one of two ways. You can either click on the TV button on the left hand side of the screen, or you can click the TV icon, which is right next to it actually. If you've already done a scan either in DVB-T mode or DVB-S mode, this will take you straight to the live TV services. It's important actually to say that if you've done a scan in DVB-S mode, you access those saved channels via DVB-S and equally DVB-T, so it can actually save two separate scans, one on each band. We've got nothing scanned actually yet because we haven't carried out a scan, so it's coming up and saying there's no channel. So we're just going to go out of that menu for now, we'll come back to it in a bit, and we're going to do a scan, carry out a scan on the DVB-S mode. So once we're in this menu, we're going to click the transponder if there's a specific one we want to scan, and that will highlight in blue. So I'm picking this 12441, and then we click the scan button, and now we've got the option of how we're going to carry out our scan. Do we want all transponders, just one transponder, do we want all the channels, or just the free-to-air channels? There's lots of options here. So to keep it simple, I'm just going to scan this one transponder, just the free-to-air channels and only TV, no radio channels. So once we're happy, click yes, and the scan will start. So all the TV services will appear on the left hand side, radio services on the right hand side. I've picked this particular transponder because there's only 3 services on there, and they're the UHD services as well. So it's a nice quick scan. Obviously the more options or the more transponders you want to scan, the longer it will take. So once it's completed the scan, and it will tell you that with the status bar at the bottom, you can view one of these channels just by clicking the blue the play button, and the live TV services will come to life, and it immediately takes you to TV mode. So you can see we've got video and audio running, so we can view what's coming in. If we want to just view the information about the channel, then we can press the I button, and that will bring up that. If we want to see some of the other channels that we've scanned, then we just press F1, and the video will go away briefly, and we'll have a list of the channels. So we can select another channel and we'll move on to that one. So what you can actually see with this is that it's actually decoding the UHD 4K content that's being transmitted from the Astra satellite. So it internally scales and gives us the video format on the screen, which is great. So via the F1 menu, there's a number of other things that you can do with it. So if you needed to remove, edit or modify, there are options here to do that. You can jump between your scans at this point as well. So you can see we're in DVB-S mode at the moment. But if we had a scan on DVB-T, we could jump to that. Well, of course, there's no programs because we haven't done the scan on that yet. So if we do a quick scan on there, so we'll jump to the menu, DVB-T. So we need to move the cable across to our terrestrial input. Here we go. So again, we'll just scan the one channel to keep it simple, just the same as we did before, just TV services, free-to-air channels of course, click yes, and the scan will carry out. So it's basically exactly the same process as it is with the satellite mode. So obviously the only difference is we're picking a multiplex frequency instead of a transponder. Here's all our services have come flying in, the scan's complete, so we'll jump to one of the channels. And there we go. So as before, if you wanted to jump between scans, I mean there's a few more channels on this multiplex as you can see, but we can click to there and we can toggle between our DVB-S scan and our DVB-T scan. So that covers the TV mode on the Anti-Interference ASM02. There are more videos in this series, so do check them out, and there's more information on our website at antiference.co.uk. Thank you.